be showing you how to build and install a bungee braking system for your Zipline, so you don't crash into a tree. In order for this to work for your Zipline, you'll need a tree that is perpendicular to the end of your line. If you got that, you're good to go. Here's what you'll need to get started. All right, to make the stopping block that we're going to attach to our Zipline, we're going to start off with this foot-long 2x4. To allow the block to slide over our cable, we're going to be using a table saw to cut a groove big enough for the cable to pass through. This will take several passes with the saw, moving your fence over slightly each time. Alright, now that we have our groove rough cut, we can come back in with a wood chisel and clean it up. Don't worry about getting it perfectly smooth inside. The cable will still be able to slide just fine. Well, that is one good looking groove. Let's saw this thing in half so we can start to assemble our block. Alrighty, well there's our block. Before we screw it together, let's pre-drill our holes to make sure the wood doesn't split. You can bolt the two pieces of wood together, but 4 to 6 wood screws will do just fine. Plus, it will be easier to take apart when you go to install it on your Zipline. The last thing we're going to be doing to our stopping block is installing our eye-lag bolt. This is what we're going to be attaching our bungee cord to. Remember to pre-drill before installing so you don't split the wood. Alright, that's it. Now it's time to go install it on the Zipline. Since our cable's already up, we had to unscrew our block, but it's pretty easy just to sandwich it back together and screw it on. It's a little easier if you leave the screws still attached to one side. Alright, now let's just hook one end of our bungee cord to the stopping block. We will be using the same cable clamps we used on the Zipline. Just one should be plenty. Alright, nice and tight. Now all we have to do is anchor it to the tree we picked out and see if it works. It may help if you have someone pull the cord tight while you install the anchor. Ah! Woo! Well, it looks like it works! Let us know what other backyard builds you want to see us tackle in the comments below. Then head over to Ray to Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. I'm Abby Casey.